I'm in love. I'm in love with Do you guys see the energy that I had when I started recording this video? Oh my gosh, you guys, I got sick along the way, but thank you so much for being here. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and welcome to the channel. So I won't be able to do a voiceover for the whole video because I'm still very much under the weather, but the video is pretty much self-explanatory. If you do have questions for me though, please leave them in the comments down below and let me know your thoughts. And by the way, this is something I forgot to add in the video. These braids were done with only 1.5 packs of braiding hair, which is not a lot at all, so it's super lightweight. But I won't say too much. I'll let you enjoy the vibes of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends, your family, your stylist, and whoever you feel like. So bye for now.
That I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Understand, y'all believe like this. Oh, come on, man. How is this flight dying?
Faded layer with like some Superfly.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than
too out there, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I